Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word pronunciation. So as we can see here, the word is divided into 5 syllables. The first purple mark at the bottom, shows us that syllable 2 gets the secondary stress, and the purple mark at the top shows us that syllable 4 is the strongest stress. So repeat after me, trying to get those 2 stresses in. Pronunciation. So syllable 1 is a consonant cluster followed by the weak schwa, and together that sounds like pr. So repeat after me, pr. So with syllable 2, we've got 2 of the n sound, which happens up in the nose, and then a short in the middle. So repeat after me nice and loud, none, none. This next syllable is a nice short one. You just need a little hiss with this, and then a short e, see. Repeat after me, see. So remember, syllable 4 is the strongest syllable in this word, and it's just a double vowel. So repeat after me, a, a. And this final syllable is one that usually generates some mistakes. We need a sh, a short schwa, and then a n. And together that's shun. So repeat after me, shun. So putting all of that back together, remembering to pay attention to the 2 stresses, repeat after me nice and loud. Pronunciation, pronunciation. I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date. And if you've got any requests for future words, then leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.